Bonjour et bienvenue à FLA French Learning Academy by Ghazal. So in today's class, we're going to be starting with our French language. How we're going to start. This is the first video where we will be learning about some things, that how do we greet people, how do we say them hello, hi, how are you, when you are, at the very first stage of learning French. Okay, so in today's class we will be focusing all about the greetings in French, very basic greetings. Okay, we will be learning them, and let's start. So today's topic is greetings, or you can say salutations, that is salutation. In French we say it like salutation. Salutation. Okay, divided into 3 segments. Salutation. Salutation. Okay, the very first greeting is bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour means good morning or hello. It's one of the formal greetings and the very basic greeting we will be learning. Bonjour madame, bonjour monsieur. Whenever you're going with your friend, whenever you're meeting your friend, your teacher, your colleague, you can always greet them by saying bonjour. Say bonjour. Perfect. Our next greeting is merci. Merci. Merci, madame. Merci. That is thank you. Thank you. So how do we say thank you in French? Merci. Merci. Perfect. Let's come on our third greeting. Third greeting. How do we say bye or goodbye in French? Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. OI has a sound of OUA in French. Okay. OI has a sound of OUA in French. So O-R-E is R and voir. Okay. That means goodbye. Our fourth greeting will be salut. 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 T is silent here. We are not pronouncing T. T is silent. Salut means hi. An informal way to greet your friends. So when you are saying bonjour, it's a kind of formal way. When you are using salut, it's a kind of informal way. Hi. When we say hi to our friends, to someone who is of, with whom we are talking informally. So it's salut. Next up, we have enchanté. 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 What is en? CH has a sound of sh in French. CH has a sound of. So enchanté. Enchanté means nice to meet you or pleasure to meet you. Bonjour, enchanté. Good morning, hello, nice to meet you. Enchanté, nice to meet you. Okay. Next up we have, so let's learn good afternoon. Morning is bonjour again. Good morning is bonjour, hello is bonjour. So whether you want to say good morning or whether you want to say hello, it's bonjour. Next up, let's learn how do we say good afternoon, right? Good afternoon. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. That means good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Bon après-midi. Okay. If you want to take screenshot, you can. Okay, now I'm going to rub it. Next greeting we have bonsoir. Bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. Good evening. How do we say good evening in French? Bonsoir. How do we say it? Bonsoir. So, bon après-midi, bonsoir. Bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir. So, next up we have bonne nuit. So, if you all have guessed it, yes, it's good night. Good night. Bonsoir is good evening. Bonne nuit is good night. Good night. Understood? So we have learned few greetings today in our today's class. I hope you liked the class, and this is the very first step to learn French. We will be learning with some basic greetings, some basic numbers, basic vocabulary which we use in our day-to-day life. There are few more greetings and we can say phrases as well, which we're gonna use it or which we're gonna learn now, right? Now few phrases which we can use in our day-to-day life in French. Few greetings we have learned. Let's learn now few phrases, right? How are you? This is a very common phrase. How are you? How do we ask how are you in French? Comment ça va? See, with an accent of this accent, cedilla, this has a sound of so. So, comment ça va? That means, how are you? Right? And how do we answer the same? How do we respond to it? That I am doing fine or I am fine. How do I am going to answer it? Ça va bien. Ça va bien. I am doing great. I am doing fine. Ça va bien. So, comment ça va? Now, there could be multiple answers of this how are you? Yes or a no. If you all agree, there could be multiple answers. If you're doing fine, if you're not doing fine, if you are really happy, if it is okay. So now let's learn then what kind of response you can give when you have been asked with this question. The first response we have already learned, that is ça va bien. Next response you can say ça va mal. You know, this is right. You can say ça va très bien or ça va super bien. You can say ça va super bien. Super bien. Very happy, right? Next up you can say comme si comme ça. Comme si comme ça. Comme si comme ça. That means okay. You know, so when your day is going okay, yeah, it's fine. So here are a few responses you can give when you've been asked for the thing how are you. Understood? Next up, now the very important part you should know, that French language is formal and informal. Like in English, if you are saying you are beautiful to one of your friend, you are still using you. If you are saying you are beautiful to one of your colleague or a teacher, you are still saying you, right? The same subject pronoun. But if you say it in Hindi, if you know Hindi, if you people know Hindi, you should know that to a friend we say tu. Tu sundar lag rahi hai, so it's tu. And when I am talking to someone, formally, aap, we show some respect to that person. So French is almost like the same thing. We use different subject pronouns to show, formal conversation or informal conversation. Understood? So, if you have to ask someone formally, okay, that how are they doing? So, you will be asking, Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? How you are going? And the answer to it will be Je vais bien. Okay, I am doing fine. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Understood? That is Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Or you can also say Comment ça va. You can respond in the both the ways. Comment ça va. Both the ways are fine to respond. If you want to respond in this way or this way, that's fine. But this is the way we ask someone if you are asking, someone formal. Next phrase. Next up, the next phrase which we're going to be learning. The new one. What is your name? How do we ask someone what's your name? In French, there are two ways. Again, formal way to ask, informal as well. If you are asking your teacher, your colleague, your boss, you have to use formal way. If you are asking your mom, dad, or I'm sorry, saying mom, dad. If you are asking your friends or maybe, someone with whom you talk informally, so you can ask it in informal way. So let's learn. In the formal way, we ask it, Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Okay? Comment tu t'appelles? This is the first way. If it's not understanding, I have to write yes. Informal way, Comment vous appelez-vous? This is the formal way to ask someone, what's your name? But when you answer the same thing, it's not actually formal and informal. For both of them, it's the same way to respond. Je m'appelle. So let's say my name is Ghazal, so I say Je m'appelle Ghazal. Even if I have been asked like in a formal way or informal way, my answer to this question will be same. I'm going to use the same phrase, Je m'appelle, and then your name. Understood? So this was all about the few greetings, basic things in French which we have covered in our first class. We will be covering more lessons about greetings, numbers, few vocabulary and things in our next class. We'll be updating the videos oftenly to our channel. Make sure you subscribe and learn French with the ease. Thank you.